Silicone honeycomb shape ice cube tray. Silicone ice cube maker mold with lids for ice cream party whiskey cocktail cold drink. Great for baby food. The perfect storage for strawberry milk, mashed potatoes. Easily remove the ice cube. Feature: material: silicone, food grade material, food grade safety material. Size: 8.1 by 4.7 by 0.9 inches. Ice size: 0.87 by 0.47 by 0.47 inches. Your drink stays chilled for hours. No loss of flavor. Easy release of ice cubes. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe. Please wipe out the trays with soft cloth. Please do not overflow the cells with water. Try freezing more than just water. Freeze coffee to chill your iced coffee without any dilution. Freeze juices and make your own special mixes. Freeze different sauces for easy and quick way to spice up your meal. Use the trays as molds for baking, making pop molds, etc. Package included: 1 ice cube tray. Operating procedures: 1. Pour fresh juice into ice cube. 2. Cover the lid and put into the refrigerator. 3. Give ice tray a twist to loosen the cubes. 4. Push the button to release the cubes. Silicone honeycomb shape ice cube tray. Silicone ice cube maker mold with lids for ice cream party whiskey cocktail cold drink. Great for baby food. The perfect storage for strawberry milk, mashed potatoes. Easily remove the ice cube. Feature: material: silicone, food grade material, food grade safety material. Size: 8.1 by 4.7 by 0.9 inches. Ice size: 0.87 by 0.47 by 0.47 inches. Your drink stays chilled for hours. No loss of flavor. Easy release of ice cubes. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe. Please wipe out the trays with soft cloth. Please do not overflow the cells with water. Try freezing more than just water. Freeze coffee to chill your iced coffee without any dilution. Freeze juices and make your own special mixes. Freeze different sauces for easy and quick way to spice up your meal. Use the trays as molds for baking, making pop molds, etc. Package included: 1 ice cube tray. Operating procedures: 1. Pour fresh juice into ice cube. 2. Cover the lid and put into the refrigerator. 3. Give ice tray a twist to loosen the cubes. 4. Push the button to release the cubes.